Hello everyone, welcome to Just the Gearhead. So we got a delivery the other day. So yeah, what we got was the box. Here's this. This is a floor pan for the Ranchero. I was expecting a smaller piece, like along here somewhere, but yeah, got a little bit more we needed for the bad spot. So we'll probably cut this up to patch the other few little spots as well. So yeah, I think that's what we'll be doing today. So yeah, but first I think what we'll do is pull that headliner out of there. I want to see how bad that is, see if there's, looks like there's been mice living up there, so I'd like to get that out and out of the way. So probably take that out, clean up the rust and stuff a bit, and vacuum it out a little bit, see if I can find any more holes. And then start grinding and cutting. Like I said in the previous video, I know those aren't the most entertaining, but hopefully we can make some good progress today and see how things go. Alright, so let's see about getting this headliner off. And there's a little bit of carpet still left on there in the cubby hole we're going to take out. Looks like we're going to need a couple of screwdrivers. Definitely got to patch that. The foot just went through the floor. Well, maybe there was a hole there, but it's now this much bigger. Yep, so the whole foot just went right through that spot there. It was already rusting a bit of a hole, but it's much bigger. Figured I'd go get my mask. Alright, so while we're at it, we're going to take off this panel here. It's just, I think it's the same like the door, it's just a piece of cardboard or hardboard fabric wrapped around it. yeah, that is just some sort of board with some sound deadener on it. Okay. So, a bit beat up, so probably make a new one of those as well. Jeez. Shows you how flimsy that is. Alright, I'm gonna lay this in here. Alright. I don't think I'm going to cut this whole piece out. I think what we'll do, find us about here somewhere, we'll cut it off. Okay, the floor looks good up till here-ish. So, cut probably in line here. That should work, yeah. Alright, we'll go cut that. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see from there, but I cut this down to a smaller size. Get about a third of it off. So, how's that? Now, what I'm going to do is give it a trace and then cut out that section. Good, I didn't remember it. And of course that doesn't work with crap. Alright, marker wasn't working, so we'll try to scribe. So I'm not actually going to cut directly on that line. I'm going to cut just in it and give myself like a quarter to half inch lap weld area. I know some people don't like it doing it that way, but we did it at the factory, so can't be that bad. So yeah, we're going to just overlap a little bit. So first I'll cut this out and then prep the edges and then drop the piece in, see how it fits. Alright, so I actually ran out of welding wire. So I ran out to the store, grabbed some more of that, a couple other things, and then came back and did all the patches. So I had that piece left over from the part I bought, the rear floor pan had extra on it. So I used the extra of that to patch the other holes, and I had a little bit of a metal kick around for a couple of the other bigger ones. So yeah, I'll give you a quick look. So there's the main patch, and over there on the passenger side there's a couple up by the toe there, and there's a couple here, and one back there. If you go look into there, way over there, there's one under there, which was really a pain in the ass to get to. So yeah, those are all stitched in. I will be finishing them with some seam sealer. Alright, so I think that's where we're actually going to call this episode of Just the Gearhead. So next episode we'll probably do the seam seal and the, I think it's called Pour 15 rust inhibitor paint on the floor in there, and get that all sealed up. And then we'll move on to something else. We'll see how far we get on the next episode. Alright, so please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want merchandise, t-shirts, hats, cups, all that type of stuff. I think there's even like masks now as well. So if you want those things, check out my link for my Redbubble page. And to anybody who has liked, commented, subscribed, and all those good things, thank you very much. And all those who have bought merchandise in the past, thank you again. And we'll see you next time.